And now we'll see some shortcut tricks for fraction, adding fraction and subtracting fraction. We'll see some shortcut tricks. How to add a whole number in a fraction, proper fraction. When you get this type of question, 3 plus 9 by 10. So how to add them? It's very easy. What to do? You have to combine them. That is 3 whole and 9 by 10. That's your answer. What to do? Just you combine them, 3 whole and 9 by 10. This actually means 3 plus 9 by 10. So like this you can add without taking LCM and that lengthy process. You can write the answer directly, or you know how to convert this number into a improper fraction. You can convert this also. Let us take one more example. Say what to do? You have to write the same. That's your answer. 5 whole and 3 by 7. Let us take one more example. 7 by 9 plus 5. So what to do? That whole number will write first. 5 whole and 7 by 9. That's your answer. Let us see how to subtract in this way. Let us see how to subtract a proper fraction from a whole number. So how to subtract this one without doing this one in that process, taking LCM and that. What to do? You are subtracting a proper fraction. When you are subtracting a proper fraction from a whole number, what to do? You just subtract 1 from this number. Always 1 from the whole number, and the denominator you keep same, and subtract the numerator from the denominator. So here it is 3, 1 upon 3. So if you subtract 1 from 3, there will be 2. Okay, let us see one more example. 7 minus 3 by 19. So how to do? You have to subtract 1 from this number. So it will be 6. And for the fraction, you will keep the denominator same, and you subtract the numerator from the denominator. 19 minus 3 is 16, and that's your answer. This happens when you are subtracting a proper fraction from whole number. A proper fraction, when it is proper fraction, then you can do this. Okay. Now we'll see some special type of fraction, how to simplify it. If the fraction is given in this way, 1 plus half, 1 plus 1/3, 1 plus 1/4, and so on. So if it is like this, how to add in simplest way? What to do? If it is given to me, then I'll write the answer just this way. This is the answer, and you can simplify this. 8 by 2 is 4. So actual answer will be 4. How to do that? Let us see. If the fraction is given this way, what to do? You have to write the this is the first part of the fraction, and this is the last part, 7. And if it is like this, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, and so on. So what to do? You write first term here, first denominator or denominator of the first fractional part you'll write here, and then last denominator of the last fractional part plus 1. So what to do? First fractional part 1 by 2 and denominator is 2, and last one is 7, and 7 plus 1, it is 8 by 2. So like this we can do. Now let us see for more terms. If it is going this way, till 1 plus 1 by 50 means 1 by 5, then 1 by 6, 1 by 7, and dot 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 till 1 by 50. So how to do that? We know the formula. What to do? First term is 2 here, and the last one 50 plus 1, that is 51 by 2. This is the answer. So what if it is going till n for any number, any whole number, 1000, lakh, crore, or any, for any number, what to do? Your answer will be first one and for last one add 1. This is the answer. What happened if it starts from this one? 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, and dot dot this one. What to do? Now your first term is 4, so you write 4 and last one plus 1. That's your answer. So you what to do? You have to see the first term, and second term must be followed by this one. If it is 4, next one should be 5, and the next one 6. If it is like this, we can use this formula. Let us see the rules for subtraction. So if the numbers are this way and you have to subtract and you have to simplify the number, what to do? It's very easy. You have to write first term minus 1 and the last term here. Here first means first denominator of this number. First denominator is 2, and 2 minus 1, and last one is 6. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and your answer will be 1 by 6. So it's very easy. What to do? First one you write, and then subtract 1 from first one and divided by the last one. Let us see one more example. Okay, if it is this one, 1 minus 7, what to do? As we know, 1 subtract from the first one. If it is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and the last one. That's your answer. Okay, let us see one more example. Till n. So what to do? First one is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1, and last term denominator is n. That's your answer. So you can add or subtract, or you can simplify any fractional terms given this way in shortcut. That is shortest way.